Hello and good day. As I continue to search in the basement, I find all kinds of things, like the Parts Cross-Reference Manual, a publication of Commodore computers. Found a little calculator. Found a drawer from a, organizer thing, full of miscellaneous chips. Full of them. There's the second Super Pet upper board, along with a bag from the Video Toaster 4000. What else? Oh, paddles. This funky old radio. Look, it's an insert for a 45 record. Another funky old phone. Oh, here. I'll have to get this on at some point. It's a scarf my sister made. It, of course, has Commodore logos. Cute little whisk broom. Ooh, look. Silver label 64. Oh, I think there's, another silver label 64. And look. It's a Heath, a Zenith microcomputer learning system. Found this, actually a couple of these at a garage sale some years ago. Couldn't resist. Never done anything with them. But they're unique. They are. Anyway, I'm just up late. And I should start to get at some of this, especially some of these fine chips here. But that will be for another day. There, yes, that's a Super Pet upper board. It is. Oh, and I think I hear Penny calling me. So sleep well. I'm going to try and do the same. Bye for now.